Welcome to this tutorial showing you how to animate a piece of work using Photopea. And you'll see I've already opened up a piece of work I did in response to the artist Michaela Latanzio. And you'll notice that every single aspect of this piece is still in its layers. So I have all of the different fragments coming off of my head, all on their own layers. It is the layers we're going to use to animate our piece, so it's important that you have your piece in a variety of different layers. I also currently have the shadow effect on all of my layers from when I did the artist response. And so the first thing I'm going to do is just select all the layers, right click and rasterize the layer style so the effect doesn't slow us down in any way or contribute to too much memory being used, which might make the computer lag or crash Photopea. Okay, right, so now I want to select all my layers except for the bottom layer with my face on it. I just want to grab all of the fragments, and I'm going to go layer, animation, and make frames. And that's going to turn each of the layers I selected into its own frame in an animation. Okay, if I go to File, Export as GIF, then I can show you what I mean. And you can see how every single one of those layers now pops up as its own frame individually in an animation. Now this could be what you want. You can change the speed of this to make it slower, so that it will work more slowly. And if this is the effect you're looking for, then this is one way of doing it. But I find that this is a little bit empty most of the time, with things only just flashing up every now and again. What I prefer to do is to kind of group the pieces together so that more happens in each frame. Okay? So what I'm going to do is go to the top, and I'm going to take the top 5 layers and then put them into their own folder, and then the next 5, and then the next 5, and then the next 5, and all the way down. I'm doing this really fast so you don't have to sit through me doing it. But essentially all of those layers are going into folders with 5 layers in each folder. Okay? Doesn't matter if you put 6 in a folder or 4 in a folder, but I'm doing a kind of average of 5 in each folder. Okay, and the last 3. Now once I've done that, I'm going to select all those folders, and I'm going to go layer, animation, and merge. And that's going to put all of those folders into kind of one layer. But now when I go to File, Export as GIF, you'll see they move. I'm going to turn it right down speed wise so you can see what's going on. There we go. You see, because you've layered them, you have an animation that has several things going on at once in each frame, and I think that that's a better effect in a lot of ways. Okay, and that really is how simple it is. You could do it with this piece of work, but I've also tried it out with a response I did to Kandinsky as well. How few or many layers you put into each of the folders is completely up to you, and as you change them you'll get different effects. And that is this tutorial done and dusted. I hope you find it helpful.